Hey lovely sweets, thank you for tuning in today. If you're into beauty and lifestyle, those kind of things, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button to be notified every week when I upload. So let's get to the video. So today's video, guys, it's about I'm gonna groom my brows. Actually, I haven't washed my face yet. That is why you're seeing these things here. So I wanted to groom my brows first because I haven't done that in a while, and then wash my face, do my skincare routine. So we're gonna do it very quickly. Okay, so what you're gonna need is something that's gonna give you a slip. I use this. I use conditioner, or I use my gentle cleanser, and then I use this. It's a razor. It comes with 3 extra razors, and then it's 10 rand. I bought it at general store, but I think you can find it at Clicks, at Discam, at Take a Lot, and other Japanese, Chinese shops. Okay guys, yeah, so let's get to it. Firstly, it's gonna squeeze a small amount, guys. We're not doing the whole face, we're gonna do it sometime. Yes guys, we're gonna do this pretty quickly. And then I don't shave my whole brows, or I don't shape them. I just removed like those small hairs that you see, like here, under here, yeah, and then I just shape it just a bit. So that's what we're gonna do. Firstly, I'm gonna start at the top. Not too much. We're not doing too much, guys. Remember, I love my natural hair pattern of my brows. That is why I don't remove it. Guys, be gentle. Make sure that razor is super flat. And then the tricky is when you come at the bottom. Here you need to be careful and do the small strokes ever. And then be pretty slow. You see guys, I'm pretty slow. I don't do a lot. Here it's way, like, do you see how I did this and I did this? I'm creating this small arch because I don't have that. But not too much, it's still natural. Okay guys, let's do the eyebrow. Okay, remember, not too much. So we're giving this side, we're doing almost the same thing. What I love about this blade is that it's not too sharp where it can hurt you, but I'm not saying that it cannot at all. You have to still be gentle. I also use this to shave all my face. I'll do that video pretty soon. Remember, small strokes, guys. So let's remove everything and then check how my eyebrows are looking, because I don't like them to be super, you know. Let's do that. And guys, do you see the gunk? Guys, do you see the gunk here at the razor? You're just gonna use a warm towel and then wipe everything away. Be gentle, guys. Do you see that? That is how simple I groom my brows. If I see that I'm not satisfied, like my wing here, I'll just go back. Not put anything, do not put anything, and just, yeah, I think that's proper. Yeah, guys, that is how I groom my brows, guys. So thank you for tuning in today. Just tell me if you like this video. Comment down below on what are your thoughts about grooming your brows, because other people don't do it. I do it because it's beneficial. When I do my brows, I can clean up way quicker. And what I like about it is that even if I'm not wearing makeup, like right now, I usually don't wear makeup because of my skin condition. So even if I'm not wearing makeup like now, today I'm not gonna wear makeup at all. My face is framed the way I like it. It frames the face the way, just how I like it. So yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. Comment down below your thoughts. See you on my next video. Peace. Zee really loves you.